Hi there, this is John Drew here from Elevated Planet.
And Jolé Gabrielle, and we'd like to welcome you to today's live. And John is going to tell us a little bit more about it.
Yes, thank you, Jolé. We're not quite as live as we normally are, but we're kind of doing it live ourselves here, you know. But what we've got today for you is a little bit more God talk from Neale Donald Walsch's Conversations with God trilogy series, which is brilliant. We've already featured something just about 3 weeks ago, and now is the time for the next episode, really, of that.
Right. So when our safety, security, and financial prosperity, she mentioned those things, are we feel in jeopardy or we fear that they're not up to par, is when we notice things happening in our lives, right? And this is manifested as lower back pain, issues around the hips, anything going on in the lower body, the knees, the feet. We know we're having issues around our first chakra and fear. And fear really immobilizes the cells, and the cells aren't able to engage in a way in which they can continue to remain optimally healthy. So fear is very much so disease and illness causing. So how do we let go of fear? One of the ways to let go of that is, like she talked about, nature. You hear it often, grounding, because Mother Earth is there to take all of your emotional issues. You can go out in nature and scream as loud as you want to and disturb nothing and no one, really, because there's birds chirping and animals talking, and get as primal as you need to let go of that fear and really work around that first chakra area. You can work with Om is a very good way to move that energy to speed up the process of moving those healthy cells throughout your body. Grounding, putting your feet, going in nature. You can also use color therapy. Red is a good color for this chakra, working with crystals. So there's things that you can do to begin to let go of this fear in a way that may not just be like, I'm thinking about, okay, let me let go of fear. No, sometimes, hey, have your crystal with you. You know what I mean? Have a little book that you can read, a journal. Notice when you're going into that fear-based state, and take a minute and do a deep breathing. So see, we have a skill set that can help us with what Anita has talked about, because like she said, we have way more power and autonomy than we realize. And this is how we begin to take hold of it. Now, chakras and working in that modality is just one way. There are so many others that you can seek out. And in conclusion, I just want you to look at it like this. You have a vacuum cleaner, you have all these electronic um, things around you that you use to work with. And your body is sort of similar in that, in order for you to plug in and connect and get powered up, everything that's going on inside of that electronic device has to be working and aligned, correct? Or you can be putting it in the wall or charging it. It isn't going to work. So it's the same way with you. You want to connect with the creator. You want to connect with the divine. You want to connect with other people. You've got to make sure that what's going on here, or you benefit, I should say, by making sure what's going on here is aligned, right?
Mm,
So that you better connect.
brilliant. Which sounds to me like a very good theme for a meditation. You think that's a good theme for a meditation?
I get the sense and a spiritual hit that, really learning how to release fear in real time would be a great meditation that you could take with you and use it anywhere. And a lot of these meditations you can use with your eyes open or closed. So you're sitting in a meeting, right? And you can ground your energy, pull your aura in, and wherever, okay, he's talking and, oh God, I think he means me. Where are you feeling it in your body? Oh, I feel it in my hips and my knees. You turn that a color and you send it down the grounding cord and you fill up with gold light. So we're going to go through a meditation that does that. And it's going to be simple, easy, and clean.
Very cool. Very cool. And talking about cool, that sounds to me like we need some water backdrop for that.
Yes.
Go a bit more of that going with the flow kind of thing. So I'm going to get that set up for us, and I will leave you to work your magic, Jolé.
Okay, as always, I'd like for you to please begin by paying attention to the rhythm in which your body breathes, and allow for it to gently and easily breathe in a rhythm that is comfortable for you. And make sure your feet are flat on the floor and your palms are face up on your thighs. For those of you laying down, please keep your feet flat for the beginning part of the meditation. As you breathe with the rhythm of your body, command your heartbeat to sync up with your breath. And now we're going to pull our aura in. It's yours. Command your aura. Say, aura, I command you to be 1.5 feet around me. 18 inches to the front and the back, to the right and the left, and the top and the bottom. Call your higher self above you to sit a comfortable distance above your head. And bring your awareness to between your sit bones and ground your energy with the beautiful grounding cord of a natural earth element. Mine, I love a tunnel of fire for productivity, activity, movement, creation, and it burns up any negativity. And it also burns through the confusion. But for those of you who would like healing, you can bring in the blue, green energy for calming, healing, yellow for that personal power beam of light, tunnel of water, tree trunk. Make sure it's 6 inches in diameter, and blanket with golden rose-shaped scrubbing bubbles, the inside and the outside of this grounding cord, all the way down to the roots. As you allow for this energy, these beautiful golden rose-shaped scrubbing bubbles, to massage away any disease, any illness, anything you're ready to let go of and release, while simultaneously there's a gold sun above your head, being filled up with all the energy of optimal health, grounding, and trusting not only in yourself, but that the universe has your back. And then as we open the crown like we would the lens of a camera, we bring this golden sun down as it is magnetized to the grounding cord. And as it begins to cascade down the inside and the outside of the grounding cord, this golden sun you just brought through your body, those golden rose-shaped scrubbing bubbles fall away into Mother Earth, turning into positive, creative life force energy for anyone to use. Now, take this visualization all the way to the very tips of those roots that are grounded and rooted into the core of Mother Earth's nurturing, loving energy. Take a deep breath in, exhale, and know that your grounding cord and you have been brought into the present moment. And now, bring your awareness to between your sit bones and command that all the fear in your body turn itself a bright red color. And as you locate and identify the fear, simultaneously a golden sun is being placed above your head, being filled with joy, self-love, confidence, grounding, and all of the things that represent courage and a lack of fear. Whatever it is that you are looking to achieve, put that in that golden sun. As you command for all of that fear to wherever it resides to be flushed out of your body, down your grounding cord, into Mother Earth, as that golden sun comes down into your crown, and it's magnetized to all those spaces and places where you just removed and resolved that fear. See that gold light expand and extend in those areas, giving you a new attitude, new health and wellness. new perspective, filling you up with new energy, healthy cells, healthy energy. Take a deep breath in and exhale as you bring your awareness to your heart chakra and sit here, sending out love into the universe, and know that your soul architecture is now put back in place so that when you go to connect with the divine or with someone else, you are fully and holistically, authentically you. Take a deep breath in and exhale. And when you are ready, you can open your eyes.